Welcome to the Campervan channel. I can't get out filming at the moment, what with the global lockdown and all that, but I thought you'd be interested in this. It's the E-Bully, a classic 1966 VW Samba bus that's been impeccably restored and turned into an all-electric, completely zero emissions vehicle. Now, before you write it off as just another concept that's never going to see the light of day, not so. VW says versions of this gorgeous thing are going to be sold by E-Classics, the company they worked with to create it. Back in '66, this particular Samba started life at the Transporter factory in Hanover, Germany, but spent over half a century soaking up the sun in California. The big plan was to bring it bang up to date using components already available in the VW group and create a totally electric, emission-free vehicle. So it was out with the old Boxer engine and in with an all-electric unit that delivers twice as much power as the air-cooled unit it replaced. And if we have to talk torque, that's been doubled too, up to 212 Newton meters. And typically for an electric motor, all that power comes online instantly, something that was never said of the original. People who know old Splitties won't be surprised to hear that a monumental amount of work was needed to help the old girl handle this enormous performance. The chassis was redesigned. In went adjustable shock absorbers and coil-over struts front and rear to improve ride comfort. Old drum brakes went in the bin and were replaced by powerful ventilated discs. Style-wise, the sheer gorgeousness of the classic Samba is still there. There's a two-tone paint job, and for those who need to know these things, the colours are energetic orange metallic and golden sand metallic matte. Very smart. Then there's the detail. There's the familiar round headlamps, but these have LED running lights, very non-1960s. And at the back, the lights have LED charge indicators, so when you walk up to your E-Bully, you can tell how much charge it's got, or not. Inside, it's a vision in Saint-Tropez and Safrano orange. There's a solid wood floor like ship's decking throughout, and of course it wouldn't be a Samba without a panoramic folding roof. The cockpit, sensitively modernised is how VW put it. The Speedo looks period, but has a 2-digit display. There's a tablet integrated into the roof console, giving you as much information as you could ever need on energy consumption, journey distances and charge time. The E-Bully has a 1-speed gearbox with the gear lever positioned between the driver and passenger seat. And if you want one, it's reckoned prices will start from around 65,000 euros. That's about 60,000 British pounds. I think I might just have to wait till the campervan version comes out. We're producing over 100 videos on the VW campervan. So if you've enjoyed this one, please subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to know when we publish each new film. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.